For our group, our ultimate goal is to make people feel comfortable as soon as they walk in the door. And we want to make it as simple and stress-free as possible. For some people, they've come into a real estate office and they feel like a number and people aren't listening to them. Instead of listening to them about what type of home they want, they felt like they're just pushed into a home. We will show them as many homes as they need to see to feel comfortable. I've worked with some folks for years before they found the perfect home.
Annette York's, what she really does is pay attention to the small things, the attention to detail. Being prior military, I really enjoy and must have the competency level within what we're doing. So I saw that in Annette, and nothing falls through the cracks with her.
Well, Annette and her team have taken a lot of time to understand our needs and help us find the right kind of home that would fit what we want to do longer term. Not necessarily what she would want, but what's really best for us, and that's really been a breath of fresh air.
So when we market a home, we create a custom booklet for each home. It will feature all the photos of the property, some information, and floor plans, which is terrific. People can take a look and say, you know what, my furniture will fit here, or it won't.
It feels more like a boutique style service than like you're part of this whole big company and you got to talk to other people. She really talks to you one-on-one, texts you, keeps you up to date, any question you have for her. Even if it's not real estate associated at all, she will find you the answer.
Annette's been fantastic. We've really enjoyed working with her. Both her and her team are very knowledgeable about the market. They helped us quite a bit in terms of thinking about what we needed to do to buy a house in a very competitive market. They helped us a lot in terms of understanding what was important.
We want to put service as number one over volume. We want to give our clients the red carpet experience for buying and selling. That's the best part to me. I love when someone walks into a house and their eyes light up and you can tell that's the one, that's the house. You'll know when you see it, you'll know when you feel it. At the Annette York's Group, we want to help you find the one.